taking it slow, don't wanna waste more time. Quite the irony, I know, but can no longer fly. Used to believe in fairy tales, but now I change my mind. If I'm a falling angel, let me see the sky. Used to want you and I when we started out, but I just can't lie, and now I can't deny how I feel inside. I don't wanna hide, but me, I thought that fairy tale, laying down in the wishing well. So what if you tell me to rewrite your life fairy tale? I don't know how to feel. I need some time to chill, 'cause every movie has an ending. I'm not sure it's real, it's fact. Why should I take you back? Why'd I get so attached like that? I can't start chat from my past. But every single distance ends. I'm feeling kinda bad, 'cause every time we had was the best of my life, and I never take it back. But I need to live my life without you in it. Break, check, paddle down. Time to live without a limit. Can you raise your hand up?